Welcome to V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation.
Hey guys, in our last video, I have shown you one application called Sing Assistant Go. And really, the application is fantastic application for your navigation. You can just set your destination and start navigating. It will help you by giving live directions such as turn right, turn left, and you can directly reach to your destination. Today in this video, we will discuss one more powerful feature of this application, which helps you to create a custom route. Let's suppose you want to go somewhere to somewhere. For example, your home to school, or your home to your neighbor's home, or your home to your friend's home, or somewhere which is not listed within the application or within the Google Maps. So first time when you go there, by helping a sighted assistant, you can create a route in the meantime. And if you create the route once, you can use that route from the routes option of this application to get the navigation direction from the next time onwards. So first time you can go with any escort, and then you can go alone without helping any sighted assistance. Please note, this application is not a replacement of white cane or guide dog. This will enhance your navigation experience on the road. If you did not watch our previous video, just go and watch now. So guys, before starting the video, one important announcement for you. Guys, those who are interested to learn various skills such as Advanced Excel, WordPress and Reaper, this is the right time to join our certified courses. All courses are online and all courses are certified by V.I Tech Academy. And remember, if you join, you will get up to 25% discount on our courses. So hurry up and register the courses. For more details, check out our website from the about page of our channel. You can also visit our WhatsApp and Telegram channel. There you will receive regular updates. Guys, those who are interested to support us financially, you can donate us using the details given in the video description, as well as you can join us as a special member to receive exclusive benefits such as coding videos or programming videos and early access videos. For more details, click on the join button and learn more. So guys, now I am going to open the Sing Assistant application.
Services and feedback. Settings. Seeing Assistant Go.
So when you open this application, you will redirect it to this page. Here you will find some options.
32 meters.
So when you open this application, it will continuously saying your positioning accuracy. So I am just going to swipe from left to right.
Where am I? Monitoring. Area. Search. Saved place. Database. Track point. Routes. Button. Compass. Button. Routes. Button.
It says routes button. Just go to routes button.
Routes.
Here I have already created one route and I have tested this feature yesterday, and this is just amazing.
Routes. Heading.
Routes.
Menu. Button.
Menu.
Second home. Button.
Second home. This is the route name which I gave while I created the route. So how to create the route?
Record route. Button.
Just click on record route.
Alert.
Then here you will
Edit
find
box.
C.
Route name. Cancel. Edit box. Route name.
So here you need to enter the route name, and
Detected.
once
Image. The logo
you
of
are
text.
enter the route
Cancel.
name, I am
Edit
just
box.
giving a
Route name.
small name.
Showing English. X.
Let's suppose X, I am giving the name of the route.
Start recording. Button.
And now if you click on start recording, and then after start recording, you can start walking towards your destination. And whatever walks you will do, it will automatically add at some points. So let me do that.
Recording route. Recording route.
See,
Heading.
route is recording and you will get this sound.
Menu.
See.
Recording route. Menu. Points added. 3.
3 points added.
Route length. 4 meters.
Route length, it is continuously adding.
Duration. 18 seconds.
Right now this duration.
Insert point. Button.
You can manually insert a point.
Pause. Button.
So let's say
Insert point. Done. Insert point MP1.
So here
Duration.
some
route. Points added.
points
6.
added.
Menu. Points. Route. Insert. Pause. Stop. Pause. Button.
You can pause the recording. Let's suppose you are drinking tea or something. You can pause or
Stop recording. Button.
you can stop the recording.
Stop recording. Button.
So
Window recording.
when you
Pause. Stop recording. Button.
stop the recording, the route
X.
will save. See, the X route is saved.
Back. X. Menu. Button.
Now here X route is safe and you will get this.
Starting point. Go east. 0
Starting
meters to
point.
west. Destination. Route end. 0 meters
Destination.
to off. Reverse route. Switch.
So reverse route. Okay, so for example, I'm just going back because I need to show you some real example.
Stop. 6 minutes. 2 sec. Stop. Record route. X. Second home. Button.
So I'm going to second home
Second home.
and see here it is saying
Second home. Menu. Starting point. Go east. 5 meters to northeast.
it's a starting point,
Destination. Route end. 75 meters to southeast.
it's a destination.
Off. Reverse route. Switch.
If I do reverse route, the route will be reversed. For example, I'm going from here to there, and when I'll return from there to here, I can just reverse the route and I can come back.
Off. Number route points. Switch.
Okay, you can turn on the number of route points.
Route length. 150
This is
meters.
the route length.
Route points. Button.
Route points, here you can check the route
Navigate.
points.
Button.
Then navigate. So when you start navigating after recording the route second time, third time, you just click on navigate button. Once you click on navigate button, it will start announcing, it will monitoring your walk. I mean, when you walk, it will monitoring and it will track the points, and based on the points, it will give you the announcements.
Stop recording. Navigate. Button.
Okay,
Window
so if
second
I just click here,
route length. 150 meters.
it will
Creating
start.
active turn right. 41
See.
meters. Go east. 5
Go
meters.
east.
Active turn right.
Active turn
40
right is- I already
turn
shown you,
left.
Gulasi.
Turn left. 81 meters to southeast.
18 meters to southeast.
Turn left. 91 meters to southeast.
So when you walk live, it will give you the live direction.
Route end. 73
Route
meters.
end.
Selected. Points. Tab 1
Here
of 2.
you will get the points.
Management. Tab
And
2
if you
of
go to
2.
management, here you will
Stop
get these
recording.
things.
7 minute back. Route. Menu. Button. On route 2. Route end. Route length. 100
length.
Remaining. 150
Remaining.
meters. Activate previous. Button.
Activate previous.
Activate next. Button.
Activate next step or next route.
39 meters. End navigation. Button.
You can end the navigation also. So I'm just ending
Routes.
it.
Done. End navigation. X. Button.
Now if you are interested to delete the route, so just double tap and hold here.
Pop-up menu. Share. Navigate.
And
Button.
see, navigate button, you can also then get the navigate button here.
Share. Button.
You can share this route.
Rename. Button.
You can rename the route.
Remove. Button.
You can remove the route. So I'm just removing
Routes.
it.
Done. Remove. Record route. Button.
So this is the way you can actually create the route, customize the route according to your requirement, and go anywhere with the help of this application along with your white cane. So I hope you learned how to use the create route options. Use this feature and share your experience into the comment section. That's it guys for the day. If you enjoyed this video, like the video and don't forget to share this video with your loved ones. Subscribe to our official YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next tutorial soon. Till then, bye bye.